For every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction. This is something that we see that's pretty widely accepted. There are other factors when you've got the Newton's cradle and you pull the ball back and you let it go. You have some energy that gets lost at different points. You've got my physical science people in here, they can tell me all about that, I'm sure. So, you've got gravity. That's another thing that's pulling against the balls that are going back and forth. Is simply gravity. Eventually, they will yield to that gravity. All right. Okay, this assumes a method of induction. Remember that term. Like I said, you're going to see it, so we had to learn it for you to see it later and understand what it is. In other words, this is what we've seen time and time again historically in observation. So we will assume that for every action there is an opposite and equal reaction. We'll just assume that. Right? That's what we're going to do because that's what we keep seeing, so that's what we're going to assume is the case. And will be the case and continue to be the case. Who's to say that the laws as we know them of nature don't just change tomorrow? No, that can't happen, right? That can't happen. Well, I don't expect it to happen. I'm sure you don't either. So, but then if it did, we'd just all go back to the drawing board. Oh well, this happened. Gee, that just changed our universe. Whatever, we would have to adjust, right? But we don't anticipate that being the case. So we accept that this is the truth. This will continue to be the truth. All right.